Hello cuties, today we are going to learn about the vowel I sound. Okay, now see here, look and say vowel I. For I, what is the sound? E. For I, what is the sound? E. Okay, now we are going to see this. Okay, I, D. For I, what is the sound? E. And for D, D. E, D, id. Id words we are going to see now. Okay, see here, the first letter is K. For K, what is the sound? K. And for ID, id. Already we saw here. Okay, ID, id. K, id, kid. K, id, kid. See here, the picture is given as kid picture. Okay, and next one is L. For L, what is the sound? L. For L, what is the sound? L. And for ID, id. L, id, lid. L, id, lid. The picture given is lid picture. Okay. And next is I, G. For I, what is the sound? E. And for G, G. E, G, ig. E, G, ig. Ig words we are going to see now. Okay. The first letter is W. For W, what is the sound? V. V, ik, wig. V, ik, wig. See here, it is a doll and the wig is on his head. Okay, wig வந்துட்டு head மேல வச்சிருக்காங்க. சரிங்களா? And next picture is fig picture is given. Okay, shall we pronounce it? For F, what is the sound? F. And for IG, ig. F, ik, fig. F, ik, fig. Okay, next is IT. For IT, what is the sound? E, T, it. E, T, it. It verse we are going to see now. Okay, the first letter is P. For P, what is the sound? P. And for IT, it. P, it, pit. P, it, pit. For S, what is the sound? S. For S, what is the sound? S. And for IT, it. S. It, sit. S. It, sit. Okay, and next is IN. Okay, for IN, E, N, in. E, N, in. In words we are going to see now. Okay, see here, the first letter is T. For T, what is the sound? T. And for IN, in. T, in, tin. T, in, tin. And next is B. For B, what is the sound? B. And for IN, in. B, in, bin. B, in, bin. Okay, next is look and read. Okay, the picture is given and using this a sentence is created. Okay, you have to look and read it. Okay, see here, FIGS, figs are on the tree. The tree க்கு மேல தான் figs இருக்கு. சரிங்களா? So on should be come. Okay, figs are on the tree. Okay, see here I. For I, what is the sound? E. Okay, F, E, G. F, E, G, fig. Okay, F, E, G, fig. Fig are on the tree. Okay, and next is here B. B, IN. For IN already we saw, no? IN, what is the sound? In. B, in, bin. B, in, bin. A bin is in the room. A bin is in the room. Room குள்ள bin இருக்குன்னு சொல்றாங்க. சரிங்களா? Okay, see here, the first one is figs are on the tree. So you have to write here on. See here, it is given here. See, O-N, on. Okay, O-N, on. A figs are on the tree. And next one is a bin is in the room. In, you have to write in here. Okay, I-N, in the room. A bin is in the room. Okay, okay, today we saw vowel I sound. Okay, okay cuties, bye. We will see you in next video. Thank you.